Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can assemble Makey with the scratch animation you made it, as well as the laser cutting board. So during the first lesson, you have designed your laser cutting board. You have chosen different platform. There's a platform I chose, and I ask you to put 4 dots in different locations you want to introduce in your animation. This is what I did. The reason I asked you to put 4 dots because I need to let laser cutter cut through the different parts, and you can use the paper safety just to go through. So I'm going to introduce what we're gonna have. You will have 4 paper safeties, which actually they're conductive. You can see because they're metal, and copper tape. They're conductive, but the conductivity actually doesn't work really well. So I use it as the tape mainly today. And you will have your Makey set, your alligator clips, and this little wire, and we're gonna use it later, and the USB to micro USB Makey, and you will be provided with a dongle as well. So let's get started. I have 4 paper safeties. I'm going to put them through the board, and when you put through this, you need to make sure you spread the 2 pins. Make sure you can stay still. And also make sure 2 paper safety, their pins not going to touch each other because it might cause the short circuit. I'm going to take these wires from Makey set. You can see there are 2 ends. They don't have rubber protectors. It's because that's actually metal. It's conductive, so it's perfect for us to use it. And I'm going to go to the back side, put this metal part and touch with the safety pins. Use the copper tape, tape them together. So I use copper tape, covered metal parts, touch the safety pins. Okay, so now I have the 4 parts. I'm going to use alligator clips, connect them. So your alligator clips here, again, the metal part needs to go to metal part. Make sure they are secured. You can try to pull slightly to see if it's gonna lose or not. Before I'm gonna put those 4 alligator clips, connect them with my Makey, and I need to go to check my scratch. And I go to see inside. Now I can find that I use up, down, left arrows. And then left, which is China. So go to find China. Oh, there's left to China, and up US. So they can be a little bit confusing, but just make sure that's which button you controlled actually for different countries, and then you're gonna make sure they're aligned. Okay, so I'm going to put the extra one, put it on the earth, which is the negative ground, is negative side, it's ground. When this, you also need to make sure you can hold it, or you pinch it somewhere, as long as it's not painful for you. And I'm going to get the USB cable. The micro USB needs to go to Makey, and the other side is gonna go to my dongle or adapters, and then connect to my laptop. So when you start, you can see Makey is flashing. I'm gonna go to see project. And let's see how it goes. Make sure you always hold the ground. So I'm gonna just pinch on my ring because they are conductive. I'm gonna start.
今天我和我的朋友们要带你去不同的地方旅行，准备好了吗？那我们出发吧。
I did Australia. Let's wait until the animation finish.
澳大利亚有美丽的自然风光，我们还有袋鼠。
So this is Australia, and I did the US.
首先，我们来到我的国家美国，美国有很美丽的大峡谷，请欣赏吧。
And then we're going to go to China.
我来自中国北京，我们有很多好吃的。
So yeah, that's how you can assemble them together. Thanks for watching.